Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change the name of your fans club on Poppo Life. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open the app and log into your account. Next step, you have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, what you have to do next is to click on your profile or your profile name or profile icon at the top area of your screen. Right, so once you do that, just scroll down a little bit and you find your fans club right here. It's right here. Right, so what you want to do next is to click on it. So once you click on it and you want to change the name of your fans club, what you have to do is to click right here. If you look right here, there's this little pencil, very little right there. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, here you're going to get the option to change the name of fans club. So all you have to do is to just go ahead and change the name of the fans club. Once you're done with that, click on confirm, and that is going to be changed, but you need to make sure it's a unique name. Right, so let's click on that again and change it to something very unique. And it has to be something short. Right, I'm trying to get something unique. Right, so once you don't click on confirm, right, and as you can see it says success. That means my fans club name has been changed successfully. Alright, so that's it guys on how to change your fans club name on Poppo Life. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.